Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to recover Roblox account without a password or email. If you have lost access to your Roblox account or suspect that it has been hacked, it is important to act quickly to recover it. Roblox offers a secure support system that helps users regain access to their accounts. By submitting a detailed request through Roblox Support, you can verify your identity and restore your account without losing your games, items, or progress. Here's a step-by-step guide to recovering your Roblox account. To start, open your preferred web browser. Now, use the search bar to look for Roblox Support. Visit the first website that appears in the search results. Once on the support page, enter your date of birth by selecting the month, day, and year. Following that, click Continue. Next, provide your contact information to ensure Roblox can reach you regarding your account recovery. After that, type in your username, first name, email address, and confirmed email address. You will then need to select the device you use to access Roblox. Choose a help category, such as account hacked. In the description box, explain your issue clearly. For example, state that you are not able to log in to your account. Be as detailed as possible to help the support team verify your identity. Lastly, submit your request. Roblox Support will review your submission and guide you through the steps to recover your account safely. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.